Yo, what's
What's
up? How you
up?
doing, guys? We are today in beautiful place, actually, right? We're gonna show you something totally new. We never been here. It's cloudy, actually. I hope so. It's not gonna be rainy soon.
Okay, so we are in Maya Ubud, and they said that this is one of 5-star hotel. This is not paid endorsement, but today we are in Ubud. Just want to show you how is the situation regarding to the hotels, the accommodation in Ubud for the Christmas holidays and the New Year's holidays. And seems like the domestic tourists coming to Bali, and then I read the news that it's around 3,000 domestic tourists nowadays coming to Bali. And because of the news in the government, like before they plan to make a lockdown or PPKM level 3, but seems like they cancel it. But we never knows. Maybe when it's already Christmas, they will change their rules. But yeah, this is how it is. And yeah, it's beautiful afternoon in Ubud. And one thing is about hotel in Ubud is normally just like this, jungle-is, green hotel resort. And this resort, they said it's around, it was built 20 years ago, and seems like the hotel owners really managing the hotel very well.
And check this out. What is here, honey? Don't jump, lah.
Ooh.
Pretty beautiful view. There is the river, by the way, over there. And then over villas.
So
Pretty
this
nice.
is what the typically hotels in Ubud, like, you know, jungles and overlooking the river view. And seems like many domestic tourists coming from other island Bali, like Java, Jakarta, Surabaya, or other cities, like they like the hotels like this. Maybe because of they just escape from hustle and bustle life in a busy life in the big cities.
So there's the pool, river, some buildings, not sure. And normally you have to walk, like long path ago here was like this. But we have here what? Lift.
Let's go to the lift.
That's happy days.
I think this is what Ubud is famous for. Jungle and river. If the resort, the five-star resort, which is close by the river view and jungle is like this with the sound of nature, so it will be, you know, like famous. If you compare with the resorts in the south part of Bali, which is Jimbaran, Nusa Dua, they couldn't find this one because in Jimbaran, Nusa Dua, in southern part of Bali, they are with the ocean views or the beach views. So I think this is what people are looking for when they are going to Ubud, with the, you know, sound of the nature, the climate, and yeah, this is how it is. Okay guys, so many of you were asking us, like, whenever you go to the hotel, did the hotel pay you because of you are showing the hotel or something like that? No, never. So we just come to the hotel and showing how it is, just to make a content for you, for those who love Bali, who are thinking like where to stay and what to do in Bali. So because we love you, we care about you, so we show you how it is.
I don't know why, but it's actually so hard to breathe here. It's humid, extremely high. It's so hot. It's cloudy, but it's so hot. And like, if you want to come to the hotels like this, you just simply can go to the restaurant. Like today we have coffee. By the way, we paid 120k for 2 coffees and 2 small croissants. So that's how it is. Everything is just for the mostly sake of the content for you guys.
So behind me a very nice waterfall. So I think, like, you know, this is what the people coming to Ubud just want to hear, the sound of the nature like this. Very nice and fresh. Alright, so now we are in Ubud Center and we are in the famous Jalan Gautama. If you turn left, there is a Jalan Gautama, which is famous for the, you know, like Ubud traditional market and then guest house. And yeah, this is the tourist center in Ubud. So let's see how it is. The guest house is business owned, local business owned in Ubud, whether it's so many people or not. As you see there, so many signs regarding to the warung, the homestays, local owned. So yeah, let's see.
All right, so as Winnie said, Jalan Gautama, very local, I mean tourist place, but very local, right? Like with the local guest houses and local shops, local businesses. So great place if you would like to stay perhaps in the local way, like with the local family maybe, or local guest house. Look at the doggo and small baby, hello. Like a friendly people like this lady,
Like
and
this
like
one,
a house.
Kunyit house, you know, Jalan Gautama, hot and cold shower.
Yes, exactly. So basically you have two options: 5-star hotel, 4-star hotel, big resort, or maybe area like this one.
Yeah, so here even on the left there is Agung Cottages. I 100% sure that is, you know, like the local owned, and here warung and homestay, Mai Malu homestay or something like that. Maybe let's have a look inside and how it is, the occupancy.
All right, let's have a look. How is it inside? If we can have a look. Little doggo.
Spanya buka.
We just would like to show your place if you don't mind. It's okay? That's good for you. Maybe somebody will stay. You never know. Beautiful house. Totally 100% Balinese with the Balinese architecture.
It's very nice, very nice.
Very nice. Many gardens.
And see,
And
we
there's the
already
swimming pool
welcome.
even behind.
Ah,
Nice. And very welcome. Hello.
Ibu, okupansinya isi? Homestay-nya isi? Kosong. Berapa per malam, Bu? 250, udah include breakfast. Tapi yang di dalam hot water, bisa kita lihat? Let's have a look.
Let's have a look.
If she let us.
Friendly invite 225?
Berapa, Bu? 250.000 per night?
250?
Okay, so let's see how's the room. So guys, if you want to stay per month, they also open for 1 month. It costs you around 4 million. Long time ago when it was normal time, she said that it costs you 7 million per month. And let's see how is the room. Very nice, hot water.
If you would like to live in Ubud.
Yeah, very nice.
Bathroom situation, very clean, very nice.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, it's the pool outside.
yeah.
I have to show you now. And the swimming pool area with the gardens outside. So many fountains. And yeah, the swimming pool is over here. Yo, what's up? Yeah, content. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Yes, the monkeys.
Ask you the name of the channel, the monkeys.
The monkeys.
Monkeys.
Yeah, the monkeys. All right.
And then we show you 5-star hotel, which is so many local domestic tourists staying there. And you see in one of homestay in Jalan Gautama Street. And I spoke to the lady, the owner, and she said that she has 9 rooms, only 250K per night. But if you want to stay for 1 month, it costs you around 4 million. But long time ago, it was 7 million. Whenever you come to Bali and then we are thinking about having a holiday in Bali, would you like to stay in a 5-star hotel, or you just stay in the homestay owned by Balinese local, like what we show you before? So I think that's all our video today, guys, from Ubud. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.